All right, welcome to chapter 9. It's personally, probably one of my favorite chapters. In chapter 9, you're going to be talking through working through, 7 different sections. You'll notice that the first section, I don't have any materials that go with that. That first section is really just talking about like pattern recognition. So it's something that I think most of you or all of you really are going to be familiar with. And then we sort of talk about how we could simplify some of the questions that come throughout 9.1 while working in 9.2 and 9.3. So you have 7 sections here. The first half really talks about like sequences and pattern recognition. And then really the fun ones are like 9.6 when we talk about counting principles and probability, because it's just some real life modeling that's like a constant in each one of those questions. So you'll see here you have the collaboration station, the self-check, and your chapter 9 quiz. And then just looking at like what are the highlights of this chapter, you have a little bit more here because it's a longer chapter. You want to be able to identify arithmetic and geometric sequences and find partial and infinite sums of both of those. You want to be able to apply the binomial theorem to find a full expansion or a singular term. You want to be able to apply counting principles and combinatorics. And then last, solve, should we say simple? So solve simple probability and odds problems. So again, a little bit longer of a chapter, but it's really one of the more interesting ones in terms of both the math and the applications, because it's a little bit more embedded throughout.